Hello class, today I'm going to teach you how to annotate a Google Doc. Last night I sent you an article from the New York Times, which you have to annotate for an author's use of rhetoric. So here David Brooks wrote an article entitled The Moral Meaning of the Plague. So you read the article, and as you read, you look for things such as rhetorical questions, um, repetition, whatever strategy the author is using to advance his purpose. In this case, in the first section of the article, the author uses diction. He chose words such as murdering and lacerating and pulverizing. All of those words set the tone for the piece, which has an impact on the reader. So what you do is you basically just highlight this section, you click this little comment box, you add a comment, and then you hit comment. All right. In this case, I might write something like, here the author is using diction to advance his purpose. He carefully chose words such as murdering, lacerating, and pulverizing to have an emotional impact on the reader. All right, so you just type your response here, blah, 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 and then you comment. I hope that helps you guys. If anybody has any questions, please email me. Thank you.